guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another home haul for you guys. Have home decor and just have like other things that you'll need for the house. I stopped inside Target today, HomeSense, Home Goods. So I'm just going to show you guys everything that I picked up today, and then I'll also try to insert a few clips of how I use them in our home. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing that I purchased was this throw. So I got this from Target. Everything that I got from Target I'm going to link below, but of course the Home Goods and the HomeSense stuff I can't link because they don't have an online store. So I guess I'll just show you guys that stuff. But the Target stuff I will link down below. So just check the description box and you'll be able to click and order it if you like. So this is the Casaluna oversized hand knit bed throw. And I'll show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this throw is super fluffy. I'm going to open it just to show y'all. And also I want to give you an idea of the size of it. So you just take it out of the bag it comes in. And this is what it looks like. It's really thick, and this was $69 at Target. So it's pretty big, and it's really great quality. I'll show you guys how I'm using it for our bed. So that's the first thing. The next thing I got is also from Target, and this is the Casaluna Supima sheet set. And I won't take the whole thing out, but this is the color. And I got a Sage comforter set, not from Target but from HomeSense, but I felt like it'll go really well with the Sage bed set. So this is the color, and I'm going to insert a clip of the bed like I said. So that's that. The next thing I got from Target are these two bath rugs. So we have like the his and hers sink, so I'm just going to put one at each side of the sink if it fits. Got two of those. These are like an off-white color. I didn't want to get an exact white because it is going on the ground, and I just feel like white gets dingy when it's on the ground, so I kind of got like off-white, and these are pretty thick. Next, I just got some regular towels to dry off with. I try to get these every time I go in Target because that's the cheapest place to find them, and Target has pretty good quality ones. So I like the Threshold brand. So I picked up two of those. And now next I'll move on to show you everything that I got from Home Goods. So I got this big hamper. I just love the color of it. It's like a grayish terracotta type of vibe. But this is super cute. I'm going to put this in the bathroom because our bathroom is gray and white. So I feel like this will look cute in there. I'll try to insert a picture of how it looks. And it just comes with the lid, and it's lined on the inside. So super cute. I got these fake pampas grass, pampas I think is how you say it, from Home Goods. This was $14.99. I'm gonna put this into like a floor vase or a table vase, and I'm just gonna use it in the bedroom. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. Next, from Home Goods, I got this crystal. This is my first crystal purchase. This was $9.99, but this is so pretty. I'm just going to put this on the living room table. I also got this mug. My husband is hotter than this coffee. Super cute. And from HomeSense, I got this comforter set. I am obsessed. Right now, sage is like really my vibe. So I was looking for either sage or blush pink for the bedroom, and I did find the sage, so I decided to go with that. This is the 8-piece comforter set. It comes with the shams, 2 pillowcases, the comforter, and some decorative cushions. So once I make the bed, I'll insert a clip of how this looks along with the throw. I think it'll be cute. Yep guys, so that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you did enjoy this video, and I will be inserting the clips of how everything looks. Alright guys, this is that throw that I got from Target. It is so super soft, and it's actually a really good size. So it's draped over the bed like this because I wanted it to look neat, but you can also open it up and it's like a blanket. So I think it was worth the price. And then this is the sage comforter set that I got from HomeSense. It's really like a true sage, like a light sea green. Yeah. So that's it for that. And then I'm going to show you the rugs that I got for the bathroom from Target as well. And I put my pieces to work in the bathroom. This is the hamper that I got from Home Goods, which I've been looking for forever. And then I also got these white rugs. These are from Target. They're part of the Threshold line. And the theme for the bathroom is just white and gray. These are towels over here. And we have a white shower curtain. I think y'all already saw that in one of my other videos. Yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.